at least one method properly. They have given you, this is the circuit with one voltage source 10 volt, two resistors 5 ohm and one unknown resistor R ohm. They are saying the power dissipation total is 30 watts. Okay. Well, what is your answer? Options you need. Okay, consider this question as integer type question. One answer I got as 10 ohm. Nevlin has answered 10 ohm. Okay. Anyone else? Consider this as integer type question where options are not given. Kevin, 10. Okay. Next. Quick, quick, quick. Again 10. Fine. So 3 answers I got. I'll proceed now. I can see clearly in this diagram, voltage 10 volt is connected across these 2 points A, B and 5 ohm and R. Okay. If current I is flowing in this manner, current here will be I1, current here will be I2. So current is different, voltage is same. So 5 ohm and R both are in parallel. So that means 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by 5. Or I can say directly RT is equal to 5R divided by 5 plus R. I hope you are able to follow what I'm doing here. Okay. Now we know power is equal to V square by R, or power is equal to I square R. Here we don't know current, so this will not be useful formula, but I know voltage applied, so I can use this V square by R is equal to power. So V square is nothing but 10 square divided by R. R value is 5R divided by 5 plus R, and that is equal to power. Power is given as 30 watts. So 100 by 30 is equal to 5R divided by 5 plus R, or I can say 500 plus 100R is equal to 150R. Okay, or 50R is equal to 500, or R is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's move on to next question. You can copy it very quickly because I'll be taking a next question immediately. Okay. Well, in next question, pretty similar problem is there. I'll rub this. In that question, they have given this is 9 ohm resistor We have one more 6 ohm resistor. Positive, negative, positive, negative. 2 ohm resistor. Okay, this is V. They are saying if power dissipated in 9 ohm resistor, remember, power dissipated in 9 ohm resistor is given as 36 watts. Okay, power dissipated in 9 ohm resistor is 36 watt. The potential difference across 2 ohm resistor is, drop across 2 ohm resistor is options 4 volt, B 8 volt, C 10 volt, and D 2 volt. They have not given this value of V. Don't ask me. This is not required, and that is the actual numerical, that you don't need this V value. However, you need to find out what is drop. Okay, come on, solve this. Someone has answered. Oh, again 10? No, that is previous answer you are saying. Reni, are you answering for this one or previous one? Kevin has answered something. Let me wait for other answers, Kevin. I can't tell you whether it is correct or not now. One answer we got. Anyone else? Few students, they are quietly listening as if they are listening to some, Vivid Bharati program. You must respond. There is no answer so far from Manisha, Ghanishta, Prajot, Anishka, Sahil, Satyadas, Siddharth, Ajoba. What happened to you? This is an easy question, not very difficult. They are saying power output across 9 ohm resistor is 36 watts. Okay. Now what you can do? See, I'm solving it now. You can look at the board. P is equal to V square by R. Okay. P is equal to V square by R. And it is also equal to I square R. There are many ways you can solve this. There are these 2 points A, B. Okay. Let me consider 2 more points C, D. Fine. And here we have this V. Now this total voltage applied V has to be voltage across AB plus voltage across CD, right? Voltage gets divided. Now voltage across AB is nothing but voltage across 9 ohm and 6 ohm, because they are in parallel, with each other, right? So what we understand is V is equal to VAB. V is equal to VAB, okay, plus VCD is equal to V. Now here the issue is we don't have V. We can find out what is VAB from this relation. If we can get this VAB, okay, we can get this VAB from this relation. What we can do? We can just use substitution and we will be getting VCD. But that is not possible because V value is not given, right? So now what we should do? If I am using this relation, power is 36 watts, voltage I don't know, so V square AB divided by 9. 36 into 9, so VAB square. So VAB has to be 3 times of 3 into 6, that is 18, right? So VAB is 18, that I understood. Can you tell me what is IAB? IAB is VAB by RAB. RAB, I mean to say this 9 ohm. Okay, 9 ohm. So what we should say? The current in 9 ohm resistor is I9, I can say I9 is equal to VAB is equal to 18 volt divided by 9, that is 2 ampere. Okay. Similarly, can I find out similarly I can find out what is current through 6 ohm resistor. So current through 6 ohm resistor is equal to voltage across 6 ohm, that is again VAB divided by resistor. Okay, now that resistor is now 6 ohm. Earlier I have taken 9 ohm, so it is 18 divided by 6, that is 3 amps. Here it is 2 ampere. So I understood, if I consider this current is I, okay, this is I1, this is I2. Again current from here will be I1 plus I2. Okay, that is equal to I, right? So I has to be I1 plus I2, that is how much? 3 plus 2, 5 amps. Okay, 5 amps is the total current flowing in the circuit. Now same 5 ampere will come and flow through 2 ohm resistor. So drop CD is equal to 5 amps multiplied by 2 ohm, that is 10 volt. Is it there in the option? Yes, option C. How many of you got 10 volt answer? Come on, tell me. Now many are saying. 3 are saying. 4. Anna earlier said, I guess, 10. Yes. Okay. So fine, this is it from my end for current electricity. However, there are some more typical types of problems which I'll be mentioning in assignment. Those who are having difficulty in solving assignment, they can contact me personally. So we are done with current electricity, and we are also done with electrostatics. So these two major units I have finished. So from Monday onwards, tomorrow you won't have class. From Monday onwards, I'll be starting with 2 more units, that is moving charges of magnetism, moving charges and magnetism charges, which I'll be taking bit slowly because I want 12th standard students also to attend the class. In first half, I'll be taking moving charges and magnetism. However, in the second part, I'll be taking electromagnetic induction, which will be very, very fast because it will be common to 12th as well as crash course students. The first lecture is also common. It is for moving charges and magnetism. Second part will be for electromagnetic induction. With this way, if we are going, we'll be able to finish magnetism as well as EMI AC in next week, probably by the mid of next week. Okay, in 10 days we'll be able to finish both those lessons. So your 25 to 30% of physics is over. Okay, and then we will be starting with the mechanics for crash course. Okay, and we will be continuing with the syllabus for 12th moving students. Okay, thank you so much. You can convey your feedbacks about the class on my WhatsApp number. Good day. Bye.